Hello guys, Purple Spliced 87 here, back with another video. And today I am making a short video about my exotic butters basket. Now this is how I did it. I got one of those baskets with the handles and I cut the handles off right, on the sides. Then I took a piece of paper, red paper, made a strip. It was too short, so I made two of them and taped them on both sides. Then I made a small cutout of a bow tie and taped it to here, and it's pretty simple. It's just a basket with a bow, and you can put exotic butters or whatever you want inside of it. Yeah guys, subscribe and bye.